In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Redbubble account. If you've come across content on Redbubble that you believe violates their community guidelines or your copyright, taking action is important. Redbubble is a platform that prides itself on supporting independent artists and maintaining a positive environment. So let's go through the steps to ensure the platform stays respectful and creative for everyone. First and foremost, navigate to the Redbubble website. This is your gateway to a world of awesome products designed by independent artists. Whether you're there to shop or to ensure the quality of content, Redbubble welcomes everyone. Once you're there, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your email and password. Make sure these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a link to reset it. After successfully entering your email and password, proceed by clicking on Login. This should take you directly to the home page, where you're once again greeted by the diverse offerings of Redbubble. While the primary focus of Redbubble is to showcase unique art, today you're on a mission to report an account. So instead of diving into the vibrant world of art, scroll down the home page until you find the Contact Us option. This link is crucial for getting in touch with Redbubble's support team. Selecting Contact Us will lead you to another vital step. Clicking on Contact Support Now, this action signifies your need for assistance and directs you towards the support you require. At this juncture, look out for the bubble chat feature located at the lower corner of your screen. This is Redbubble's friendly way of opening up a conversation. Their customer support is ready to help with any issue, including reporting an account that may be of concern. Once you initiate the chat, it's time to report the account. Make sure you have all necessary details at hand. This may include the account name, specific items, or any other relevant information that supports your report. Redbubble values this information as it helps them maintain the integrity of their platform. I'd like to emphasize a few tips to ensure your report is as effective as possible. Be clear and concise in your communication. If you have screenshots or other evidence, be prepared to share these with the support team. Also remember, Redbubble has a vast array of content from artists worldwide. The context can sometimes be subjective, so providing as much detail as possible supports a thorough review. While the reasons for reporting an account can vary widely, it's important to follow these steps to help Redbubble take appropriate action. Whether it's a copyright infringement, inappropriate content, or something else, reporting helps protect the community and the artists who call Redbubble home. Remember, Redbubble's aim is to foster a community where art thrives in a respectful and supportive environment. By reporting concerns, you're contributing to this positive space. It's about ensuring that creativity is celebrated without crossing lines that harm individuals or the community. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of reporting a Redbubble account. Remember, your voice matters in maintaining the quality and integrity of the platform. Thank you for taking the time to ensure Redbubble remains a place where art and respect go hand in hand. In conclusion, reporting an account on Redbubble involves a few straightforward steps: logging in, using the Contact Us link, clicking on Contact Support Now, initiating a chat through the bubble icon, and clearly stating your concern to the support. Throughout this process, your clarity, patience, and attention to detail are key. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Together, let's continue to support and protect the creative community online.